Akbar! Allahu Akbar! What was that?
Sir, we've collided with another vessel.
Sound the general alarm. All hands on deck. Attention all hands, attention all hands. This is not a drill. We have collided. All hands, proceed to the mastering station immediately. Close off motor type doors.
Sir.
Ensure vessel stability.
Yes, sir.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. MV Horizon, Horizon, Horizon. Call sign, November, Echo, Golf, Alpha. November, Echo, Golf, Alpha. November, Echo, Golf, Alpha. Mayday, this is MV Horizon. Call sign, November, Echo, Golf, Alpha. Position, 1-5 degrees north. 1-2-7 degrees east. We have collided with another vessel, requesting immediate assistance. Weather is calm, visibility is good. This is Captain Akdal. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 4, 3, 4, 2. Out.
Sir, we're developing a forward clean.
Compensate with rear tank ballast.
Aye, sir.
Deck to bridge, deck to bridge. All crew accounted for.
Understood. Third mate, assign a team to assess the damage.
The hull took a hit near the bow,
Understood.
but the structure seems intact. No visible oil spill.
Understood. We've already closed off all watertight doors. Keep monitoring for any changes. Second mate, monitor our position until port assistance arrives.
Aye, sir.
Engine room, this is bridge. Stop all engines and verify status.
Stopping engines. No major damage and it's under control. Engines are operational.
Understood.